Inside IM VIP training, you get everything you need to go from zero to making a full-time income online. Step-by-step training. The training inside IM VIP is delivered in a newbie-friendly format that makes it easy to plug in and start getting results right away. You get access to everything you need to make money right away, including over-the-shoulder videos to cheat sheets and more. Multiple case studies. The easiest way to profit online is by following a proven method. With my case studies, you can simply follow along and copy and paste your way to online success. Fast money methods. The reason most people fail online is because they don't make money online fast enough. That's why you'll also get access to several proven methods that you can use to start making money online as soon as this week. There are even some methods that have the potential to make you money within 24 hours or less. Access to new methods. Things move fast in the world of online marketing. That's why I'll constantly be updating the members area with new methods that are proven to make money. Never worry about traffic again. One of the big reasons most people struggle online is because they just don't have enough traffic. As an IM VIP training member, you'll never have to worry about getting traffic ever again. High converting funnels. Although I show you everything you need to make money online inside, I'll also give you access to done-for-you funnels and other ready-to-go tools that make it as easy as a simple upload to make money online. Inside IM VIP training, you get everything you need to go from zero to making a full-time income online. Support and accountability. Although the training inside is second to none, support and accountability is the missing link to online success. IM VIP training is a community with hundreds of like-minded people that are just like you. I'm here for you, and everyone inside the group is there to help each other as well. You may be in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. Software, tools and resources. As part of your membership, you'll get access to the same software and tools that I use in my business to make $30,000 plus per month. These tools will help you profit and scale your business faster than you ever thought possible, and you'll save a bundle when you compare the cost of buying these tools on your own. Here's a quick preview of just a few of the things you'll discover inside IM VIP training. How to start making money today with no list, no product, and no online experience. The step-by-step process for banking affiliate commissions in as little as 24 hours from right now, even if you're starting from zero. How to use a powerful, yet often overlooked free traffic method to send thousands of targeted visitors to your opt-in pages, affiliate offers, and sales pages for big profits fast. Why almost everyone fails at building a list, and how to do it the right way. How I quickly and easily built a responsive list of over 12,000 subscribers, and how you can do the same. My secret trick for having a converting sales funnel up and running within 3 minutes or less, no special tech skills required, and if you can point and click your mouse and check your email, you're golden. The easy cash method my colleagues and I use to successfully close high-ticket coaching programs. Just one of these programs can easily put $10,000 or more in your pocket in a matter of days. How to get paid in advance before you create your next product. The fastest way to get to $100 per day and how to scale up from there. The step-by-step method I personally used to dominate Facebook ads with a starting budget of just $5. Take home big cash promoting affiliate offers by using my proven strategy to land on affiliate contest leaderboards over and over again. You can do this even if you don't have a large list. How to outsource things in your online business that you don't want to do without spinning your wheels, wasting time, and getting frustrated. How to shortcut your way to creating your own product with PLR private label rights and do it the right way. Plus, a whole lot